Hey everybody, Ryan Reel, Senior Residential Specialist with the Wanabo Group. Listen, we're into a new week, Monday, March 30th, new month starting here in a couple days. Let's get a real world, what's happening on the ground market update for you guys here in San Diego County. Let's get to it.
So how's the market? All right, the best answer, it's day by day, it's hour by hour. Anybody who's telling you differently at this point, they either do not know what they're talking about or they have an agenda. Be sure that you know who you're talking to. Some of my buyers and sellers are telling me that they're on hold for now. They want to hit the pause button. I'm 100% supporting them in that decision and still communicating with them, still keeping them aware of what's happening in the market and making sure that they are ready should an opportunity present itself. On the other side, some of my clients need to buy or sell right now. Buy or sell in the next 30, 60, 90 days. And that's what we're doing with protocols in place. Safety is in the forefront of everybody's mind. Smart marketing, virtual showings, and much, much more. More importantly, how are you and how is your family doing? Is there anything that we can do to help you? Just let us know. Call, text, or email. We're here to help. All right, let's get into the formal market update itself. All right, the big metric that we're wanting to take a look at are pending listings. Means that a property was listed, it was active, it accepted an offer, and is now open to escrow and started the actual transaction process. So the graph that you're seeing up there is the entire month of March, okay? The first red line that is going vertically that you see with a star across the x-axis, that is Thursday, March 19th. That was when the governor of California issued the stay-at-home order. So let's go and start looking at Monday, March 9th. Let's look at 3 weeks, the 1 week before, the week of the order, and then this past week. So what we know is that Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays tend to be the days that the majority of the offers get accepted, which is basically what we saw. We actually did see a little bit of an uptick there on the 13th. So this is your normal looking week. From there, we get into the week of Monday the 16th. Started off just fine, 131 transactions. From there, we go through Tuesday, we go through Wednesday, relatively normal looking, and then we hit Thursday with the stay-at-home order, and it promptly drops off a cliff. You see the low there with 23 on Sunday the 22nd. So now the real question is, what would happen this past week, Monday the 23rd? We saw it come back with 83 on Monday, right? So that's one off where we were before we went off the deep end. If we take a look at the rest of the week, we see that it's still present. It has come back to a pretty decent degree. Could it be better? Sure. Could it look like last week? It could. This is indicating that there are people that have to buy and sell, and they have to take action. That's what we're seeing here. So we have a lot of very serious buyers and a lot of very serious sellers at this point. So listen, real estate is an essential service. It's been made very clear in the last few days that it is. We're continuing to serve our clients. We are here for you. So what does this really look like? What does this update mean? It means exactly what we said at the beginning. It's hour by hour, day by day. We had a very promising week this past week. We'll have to see if it continues in that direction. My guess is, yes, it is. There are people that have to buy and sell. There's no way around that.
Hey everybody, there you go. That's the data. You now have the most accurate and up-to-date information that is available, all right? If you are a homeowner, you have no interest or no intent of selling, just continue to enjoy daily life, enjoy the extra time with your family. If you're someone who needs to buy or sell in the next 30, 60, 90 days, you need to get in touch with me. We're gonna make this happen for you. We've been doing it the whole time. Safety is our first and foremost concern, but we can make this happen. Get in touch with us, use that link below. For everybody else that's out there, if you're thinking about, hey, I want a deal, what about an investment property? What about moving up, moving down, whatever it may be? There are a tremendous number of opportunities that are coming. There's quite a few that are on the market right now, and some of my clients are taking advantage of those. If you want to know what's coming, if you want to be on the forefront of that and potentially snag a deal, contact me. Let's get on Zoom. Let's have a short call and figure out what's right for you guys. All right. Have a good one. Take care.